Today, we'll explore Hugging Face, the leading open-source AI platform. No coding, no jargon, just a straightforward guide for absolute beginners. What is Hugging Face? It's an online library and community focused on AI. Picture a place where global users share AI models, datasets, and tools, open for everyone to use, improve, and create. It's free and built by the community. Researchers, developers, students, and companies use Hugging Face for everything from chatbots to translation tools. Now, why is open source crucial in AI? Platforms like Hugging Face democratize access, allowing everyone, not just big tech, to utilize cutting-edge technology. This boosts innovation, fosters transparency, and builds collaboration. You can explore how AI models work, contribute ideas, and help create a fairer, safer AI landscape. So, what can you do with Hugging Face? Let's break it down. The Model Hub hosts various AI models, like pre-trained brains for language understanding and image recognition. Browse, compare, and use these models for free. Need data? The Datasets library features countless ready-to-use datasets for text analysis, image recognition, and more. Curious about AI in action? Visit Spaces for interactive demos, where you can try models in your browser, no installation required. Hugging Face is a global community. You can join discussions, ask questions, and collaborate with users worldwide. Now, who benefits from Hugging Face? Students use it to study AI concepts and experiment. Researchers share breakthroughs for others to build on. Businesses power chatbots and automate support using Hugging Face. Hobbyists create fun projects, like AI that writes poetry. Best part? You don't need coding skills to explore all this. Ready to get started? Here's how to navigate Hugging Face. First, browse the Model Hub. Search for intriguing tasks like summarize text or detect sentiment. Each model displays a description and demo. Next, dive into Spaces. These interactive apps showcase community-made projects. Want to test an AI chatbot or an art generator? Just click and explore. Lastly, connect with the community. Hugging Face forums and Discord are full of friendly users willing to help beginners. Share your ideas, ask questions, and engage with projects. What's next for open source AI? It's evolving rapidly. Communities like Hugging Face lead this change by making tools accessible to everyone. They ensure AI benefits all, not just a select few. Whether you want to build a career in AI or satisfy your curiosity, Hugging Face is your ideal starting point. You don't need to be a coder, just bring your curiosity. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let us know what AI topics intrigue you in the comments.